Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can transfer your data from your SD card to the console or the other way around. So what you need to do is go to the system settings over here. Then you need to scroll down to find the data management. And then over here we have this option where we can move the data between the console and the card. So let's go here. And now we can choose either to move to the SD card or to the system memory. So depending on which option we are looking for, then we have to choose one. So let's say I'm gonna choose move to system memory, since there is no software that can be moved to the SD card because everything is already on my SD card. So let's say I'm gonna choose move to system memory, and then you can decide what you want to transfer. So I have two games over here. Let's say I'm gonna choose Red Dead Redemption, and then over here I can use this move data button in order to do so. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye.